Okay, let's do an example of a quadratic inequality. The strategy for quadratic is very different from the linear one. Okay, let's take a look at this example and use this example to explore this. So, make a big note here. If it's a quadratic, if it has any degree other than 1, don't isolate x. Okay, we have to actually treat that side there as a graph. Okay, so this is clearly the graph version of quadratic is a parabola, right? And this is a factorable one, so I'm going to factor this. And then we have to interpret this as a parabola, and it has x-intercepts at 1 and 2. And if you try to answer this question, for what value of x is the product less than or equal to 0? That is the same as for what values of x on this graph is the y value negative. So on this graph, y value is negative right there. What x values are in there? Okay. It's x values that are between 1 and 2. Okay. So in interval notation, this will be the solution. Suppose it was this instead. Then we're asking for when is the y value positive? It would have been this region and this region. So there, x would have been x is less than or equal to 1 or x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay. So note the word or here, okay? Or. So this is, we use or to denote combination of two separated regions. Okay. In an interval notation, this is equivalent to minus infinity to 1, and square bracket there, square bracket, union 2 to infinity. Okay. Let's do more examples in the upcoming videos. But make a big note, if it's a quadratic, if it has power other than 1, do not isolate.